After all that 2.5 hour flight, Houston, we made it to Galveston. Well, Galveston's not Houston. We're not in Houston, but we're close. We're an hour away from Houston. Houston, we made it. Good morning, everyone. It's a sweet 5 o'clock in the morning right now, and you know, as you see around here, I wish it would be a little bit more, but at least we have something to work out in. And even on vacation day, I don't really try to take a day off because, you know, I have a lot of goals that I want to reach before coming in next school year. And why am I doing it early in 5 in the morning? Well, we have stuff going on at 6 o'clock that I can't wait for you guys to see and, you know, bring you guys along with us. You probably already saw it in the title, but you'll see it later. Looking into a workout and trying to get this over with so I can get ready for a 6 o'clock trip. Let me show you something quick. Look how dark this outside is. Before the sunrise. Get everything done that you need to do so you don't feel like you're wasting your day, and that's when you're most motivated at. In the morning, early in the morning before the sunrise, that's when you get most motivated. It sucks getting you up, but trust me, it's worth it.
He accounts for 90% of shark bites that happen inside the boat. So what I'm gonna do is...
Oh, really? Look at that. Look at how big he is.
Holy shit! I need to go up the base of your rod.
Yep,
I'm gonna go right up through.
Lift up, Pat. I mean, Matt, there you go. Got it. There we go. What a fish, ladies and gentlemen.
This guy's probably about 6 foot. We're gonna get some nice pictures with him, everyone back home, and we're gonna let this guy monster fishing, guys. How was that?
Now
Awesome.
Shit,
That's
Matt.
what I'm talking about.
My forearms are done.
Oh!
So half hour for that shark is the longest. That's the biggest time showing right now.
Real.
No cat, no cat, no cat, no cat.
That ain't no cat.
We can get a nice picture with this guy. Basically, what you never ever want to do is touch a shark anywhere below where I'm touching him. If you touch him like you want to touch him right there, that's when he swings around and crushes.
So these sharks are pretty strong. Like Matt caught a bigger one than that, but just grab it right below the gill and then
Get in the water.
get ready to go.
Yep.
Yeah. You can see how fast they swim over here. Here, bring them.
Woo!
Gone.
Dark. A beautiful fish, absolutely gorgeous.
There
What
you
a
go.
fish!
I deep fry.
Deep
I
fried.
come home and beef for fry.
So
That's a successful first day, and you know the biggest highlight was probably the sandbar shark Matt caught it, and unfortunately we had to let it go. We can't bring it in the boat, and we caught a second shark. What I did was a lot smaller, and Bruce caught the big redfish, and then those 3 fish were redfish. So today was the very first successful day, and then tomorrow we'll be back out there again, and we're gonna be fishing for shark, I believe. And the third day, which should be Friday, I'm not sure we're gonna be fishing for, but that's all for the first day. And you know, I think we're done.